Most of you are aware about the existence of 0 euros that are coming as a souvenir banknotes, which is circulated in order to show something or to commemorate something, etc. But are you aware of the existence of 0 rupees in India? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So in today's video, we are going to look into the 0 rupees banknotes of India. Some of you might be thinking, when did government issue 0 rupees in India? Well, government didn't issue 0 rupees in India. It's a non-profit organization named Fifth Pillar that issued 0 rupees in India. The concept of 0 rupees was created by Satyendra Mohan Bhagat, an Indian physicist from USA, who created it in 2001. Upon returning to India for a visit, Bhagat was frustrated by the pretty extortion demands of government officials that were part of their daily routine or their daily duty. The non-profit organization Fifth Pillar has implemented his idea from 2007. The Fifth Pillar is headed by Mr. Vijay Anand, who is also a NRI software engineer who returned to India in 2006. He has dedicated his life for the improvement of poor and illiterate citizens living in rural India and below middle class and below poverty level. Vijay Anand co-founded and headed the Fifth Pillar, the non-profit organization that aims to encourage, enable and empower every citizen of India to eliminate corruption at all levels of society. Fifth Pillar believes that the citizens of the society are the foundation for the nation. The main objective of Fifth Pillar is to strengthen the democracy by way of preparing the next generation youth to be dutiful and patriotic citizens in all aspects. They started issuing the 0 rupees in 2007 in order to create awareness against bribery and corruption in government officials. Now, comparing with the 0 euro souvenir banknotes, these are not technically called as banknotes, may be considered as a leaflet or a certificate, but it's very important to keep in collection for a lot of collectors because this is the only concept available in India that can be compared with the 0 euro concept in Europe. Technically speaking, 0 euros are issued for the souvenir purpose. They commemorate some kind of event such as the Mahatma Gandhi's return or some buildings in Europe or anything that the members of European states think that there should be a commemoration. The main idea of issuing that was to promote tourism. On the other hand, the 0 rupees was issued to stop bribery and start a war against bribery in India. Another comparison with the 0 euro and 0 rupee is that on the case of 0 euro, it is backed by the European Central Bank. It has proper numbering, it has proper security features so that it won't be coming in the normal circulation and only be used as a souvenir or a tourist attraction thing. On the other hand, the 0 rupees in India is not backed by the Reserve Bank of India or any of the governmental organization. 0 euros are also printed in a similar way that the normal European euro notes are printed. On the other hand, the 0 rupees is actually uploaded in the website of Fifth Pillar from which you can download and use. It is available in 5 scheduled languages of India, including Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Any person who is wishing to keep this 0 rupees or if someone is facing an issue with bribery, they can download it from the website of Fifth Pillar and print it and keep it or give it when someone is asking for bribe. Now technically this is okay because it is not coming as a banknote or is traded as a banknote, but rather a kind of leaflet or a kind of sign that is shown for a good cause. It has to be also noted that in 2015 the Fifth Pillar expanded their idea to entire world through a website known as zerocurrency.com, in which you can download the version of 0 banknotes from anywhere in the world. This cannot be used as a normal banknote in transaction, but it can be used as a kind of leaflet or a kind of sign. Well, that is the idea that I had to share with you today. And if you want to listen to such kind of interesting stories about coins and banknotes around the world, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be getting every update from the channel as a notification in your tab, and you will not be missing any such interesting topic discussions. Also share it with your friends and family, especially this video, because it has a good meaning and a good cause, as well as other videos of the channel, so that they will get to know about coins and currencies around the world, their history, facts, interesting things around it, etc., through the discussions that is happening in the channel. So till meeting with a new video, bye bye.